Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So for today I will be showing you my brow routine step by step. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I did. So before we get right into the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. First step, I'm going to start off by taking my spoolie and brushing my eyebrow hair upwards. Using my NYX micro brow pencil, I start off by outlining the bottom section of my eyebrow first by giving it my desired shape. Now using my groove proof brow pencil from Benefit to outline the inner part of my eyebrow. Don't worry if your shape looks messy. Remember, we're going to be cleaning it up with concealer. Taking a flat end brush and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to clean the bottom of my brow. The reason why I love using a flattened brush to conceal my eyebrow is because of the way it's shaped. It helps me get more precise on the arch of my eyebrow. Then applying a little bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills primer to prime the rest of my eyelid. I'm going to be blending it all out with my beauty sponge. Now onto the top section of my brow. I don't like going in so harsh just so I can have a more natural brow shape. I'm going to softly outline the top of my brow with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and the Groove Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. I'm going to fill in the outer portion of my brow and just about in the center. I like to go in with my spoolie meanwhile I'm doing my eyebrows just so I could give it a softer look. Once I'm done filling in the eyebrow, I'll be using my NARS foundation to clean up the top section of my brow, making sure it's clean and blended. Last step is my favorite thing to do after I'm done with my eyebrows. Applying clear brow gel because I feel like it separates each individual hair, which I love. So I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup off camera, but this is the final look of my eyebrow routine. Thank you so much for watching, and comment down below if this video was helpful for you guys and if you guys are doing my eyebrow routine. Thank you guys so much once again, and being here supporting me. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.